Hi guys, Darren from Venom Art. Thank you for joining me today. So today I'm going to show you another way of doing a beach swipe with different colours. These colours were actually chosen by a good friend of mine, Janice. So Janice, we are going to play with your colours. Now, I've got an 8-inch MDF round here. Going to throw some pillow paint down on it. Like that. And I'm going to spin it right out. So there's no movement in it whatsoever. Stick my finger on the edge so that the paint that runs off coats the side. Like that. We'll pop that up. Alright, so there's no movement in that one now. You can tip it, tilt it, it doesn't move. All you've done is paint the surface and paint the sides. Right, so what I'm going to do is get more pillow paint. Going to put a blob in the middle. Like that. Then we're going to grab our colours. So Janice wanted coppers and like tealy green type colours and things like that. So what I'm going to do is only put the colour where the main mound of pillow paint is. So we'll go with copper. Go with another coppery colour, which is from Acrylic. It has a little bit of a purple tinge to it. I think it was Super Copper or something like that originally. We'll go with some red russet, which is another Acrylic colour. So instead of having like a sandy area, that's a sandy sort of colour, it's going to be a coppery sort of colour. And this is another lighter copper. So yeah, we've got a few different coppers there. What else should we put down? Aztec Gold, which is a Acrylic colour. Let's have that on. Alright, we'll start with our blues. So we'll just use a couple of different blues at random. This is like a sky blue by Acrylic that I've modified. Not sure what this blue one was because I can't read the lid. There's paint all over it. I'd say Bubbles has been at it. Okay, I think I've got a Southern Ocean blue down here somewhere. Yep. So I go with the Southern Ocean blue. Now if you lay your colours down in like chunky bits, like that where it's heavy, and then the light sections, where the chunky bits are, you're going to get bigger cells. Alright, now we'll go with our teal sort of green. Add some of that in. Like that. Alright. Running away. Now, what I'm going to do is grab my swipe tool, which is, where's the camera? This little guy. Going to add some black. Just pour it on. Smooth it out over the top of it. I'm going to go through there like that. Alright, we'll do the same with some white activator, which is Amsterdam titanium white mixed with Australian Floetrol. So I'm just going to pour a bit of that onto my swipe tool. I'm going to add a little bit of black to it. Like that. And I'm just going to go through there. Alright, we'll move that out the way. Move that out the way. Give this a bit of a scrape down here. Alright, so we'll move that around a little. If you want, you can grab a skewer and have a little bit of a play. Like through here, and just loop a few little waves through it. Alright, we'll give that a spin. Just go slow to start with so you can see where things are moving. You might want less copper on there or less beach sort of area compared to the water section. Entirely up to you. You can manipulate that just by moving where your piece is on the spinner. If you move it further back this way, you're going to end up with more of the water section. If you move it forwards, you're going to end up with less water and more beach section. So we'll get rid of that bit. Scrape some of that off. Another quick spin. Ooh, pretty. Right, pop that one up. Scrape these edges. And that is what we came up with. So you got nice big lacing through there. All your bigger cells through the bottom section. Love the colour. Alright, I think I'll press pause and I'll do another quickie. Okay, we're back. So this time I'm going to do the same sort of thing. I'm just going to dump pillow paint down in the middle. And throw some colour down and see what happens. So, just grab a cloth here. Make that move to the middle a bit. So we'll start with the hot copper. Oops, missed it. Nice job, Wombat. All good. So you'll notice this time I've got no pillow paint underneath that raw board. So when I spin it out, it should just roll over itself as it spins out. Which is fine because I'm going to wreck this one just for fun. Let's see what we end up with. Rather than putting white cell activator down this time, I'm just going to use straight black. And see what happens. Alright, that'll do. Get my little swipe tool, move that down in the middle because it's running away on me. So put some cell activator on the swipe tool. Like that. Add a bit more cell activator onto the swipe tool. Which is just black. I'm going to add a little bit of yellow to that as well. Like that. Alright. That cell activator was quite heavy where I put that on there. So it's going to take a while to do its thing. Can speed it up by using a straw. Not that it really matters because we're going to wreck it anyway. So I'll grab my skewer. Put some patterns through there. Like that. give it a spin. Try to keep it in the center of the spinner. Bit more of a spin. All right. Give that a bit of a scrape underneath. Okay, so that one there, same sort of colours, but you get different designs, different patterns, just from wrecking it. So let your imaginations run wild. Try different things. Grab a skewer, drag bits and pieces through different blazes. When you put your cell activator down on your swipe tool, try adding a couple of extra colours on top of the black cell activator or white cell activator or whatever colour you're using, and then swipe it, and you get all sorts of crazy different effects. So like that there, where the section here where it's had the yellow on top of the black, it almost makes the yellow transparent, so you can see right through it. Yeah, so just have a bit of a play. You get some really cool effects just by messing around and trying different things, so never be afraid to have a go at it. Worst that has happened is it goes wrong and you end up scraping it or pour over the top. No biggie. Alright guys, thank you for joining me today. If that was any help to you, click like, share and subscribe. Ring the notification bell. That way you get to see all the videos I do as I release them. If you've got any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Alright guys, have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.